Yeah, good morning. This is just a short tutorial on Coingecko, and this is especially for beginners that do not know what Coingecko is being used for. So basically, this is a cryptocurrency information website, if I have to put it that way. So it gives you a lot of information on projects, on any cryptocurrency project. So if you can, as you can see at the top here, it gives you a global market cap for cryptocurrency, gives you 24-hour volume. I'm under now cryptocurrency. You can click on the next tab. It gives you the NFTs. It gives you the categories, and then it gives you all the exchanges available, and then it gives you the derivatives. So basically it gives you a lot of things. So if I go back to cryptocurrency and I click on Bitcoin, basically it will give me all the information about Bitcoin, the chart, all-time high, the exchanges where I can buy Bitcoin, all the other information, or social media pages, the website where you can basically go and read more about Bitcoin, the news on Bitcoin, all the articles being written, recent ones, and then basically the guides that talks more about Bitcoin. So the guides are basically most of the time yeah, can be YouTube videos that you can go back and read and watch, and learn more about Bitcoin. So basically I can go back, and at the bottom here it gives you even an option to put in your portfolio, and then you can track it from one page. And then there's other things as well at the top here. There's a jar with a lot of candies in it. If you click on it, basically you can collect these candies every single day. And what happens with the candies, you accumulate them, and then sometimes what happens is there's rewards that you can take place, or that you can participate in buying them with candies. Like I can buy this 20% flat discount crypto tax. So if I give my 400 candies, they give me 20% off. And this is all the things I can buy. But sometimes there's free airdrops, and those airdrops, basically you can use your candies to participate in those airdrops, or there is whatever it is. So yeah, these are the projects that I've taken part in so far. All these airdrops, mostly are airdrops that I've taken part in. So yeah, it's a good start, because it gives you an option to take part in things for free. And all you do is every day you come in, you click on collect, and basically that's it. You just collect. And if you want to search for a specific project, you maybe were given a project and you don't know much about it, you can basically come at the search icon, example BFT, that I was searching for, and then it will tell you the exchanges where you can basically buy BFT. Okay, that is not allowed. That is my portfolio. The current price of BFT, any other information on BFT, basically you can find it here. The news on BFT, no, this is just the news, basically news, cryptocurrency news. So yeah, it'll give you all that. So yeah, it's a very useful website, because it does give you a lot of information. It also gives you what coins are trending, what NFTs are trending, which categories are trending at the moment. So it gives you a lot of things. Then it gives you highlights, the top gainers. If I go back to coins, and then I go to the bottom here, I get the top gainers in the market. the top losers in the market, and then the recently added tokens or projects in the market. So it gives you a whole lot of information. So basically it's a very useful tool or website to have, because it does give you a lot of information, especially on cryptocurrency. And especially if you're a beginner, you don't really know where to go, you can just come here and look at maybe specific projects that you have seen around being mentioned, and yeah, it gives you a lot of information on them as well. So that's all I wanted to give on Coingecko. So this is basically your settings. So it's a free website. Just collect your candies every single day. You just come in, click on the jar, and then basically collect your candies, and you are done for the day. And if you maybe have a project that you want to look at, you come and click and basically just read more about it.